Hey everyone, Chris here, Military AutoSource Lakenheath Commissary. And if you're looking for a 4x4 that's affordable, tough, packed with everything you need, check out the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport. This one's the Big Bend. It's got that iconic Bronco look, rugged grille, wide stance, LED lighting. You get the style and the off-road chops without paying for that full-size Bronco. This is the Big Bend. It's built for adventure, and it's got a very attractive monthly payment. Under the hood, you get Ford's 1.5 EcoBoost engine. That's turbocharged, fuel efficient, still powerful enough to tow, climb, cruise across Europe. And it's a real 4x4 with GOAT modes. So you can handle dirt, sand, snow, rain without paying for any extra upgrades. On the inside, you've got practical, durable cloth seating, easy clean floors, huge touchscreen that has backup camera, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Ford's Co-Pilot360 system. Loads of really cool luxury here with that big price tag. Because the Bronco in the back, you still get loads of flexible cargo space, fold down seats, and around here at the rear you've got the flip up glass, or you can open the entire trunk. All that space there, groceries, camping gear, whatever you need, you can fold those seats down, make even more. Bronco's got you covered. So if you want a real 4x4 with capability, smart tech, rugged styling, and at a price that's really not going to crush your budget, this might be the one for you. We have the Bronco Sports here now at Lakenheath Commissary. We have all the trim levels available from Big Bend to Outer Banks. So if you'd like to learn more about the Bronco or any vehicles that we offer, stop by and see us here at Military AutoSource. Drop us a PM, ask any questions. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye now.